Find 25% of 597.99. We need the part of 597.99. 25% is the percent. 597.99 is the whole. The question mark is the part we are finding. The whole bar is 100%, or 597.99. The green bar grows to 25%. So the green part is the answer we need. Percent means out of 100. 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. In a percent problem, of tells us to multiply. Multiply 25 by 597.99. 14, 949.75 divided by 100 is 149.4975. So 25% of 597.99 is 149.4975.